Live from London, I'm Guy Johnson.
And in New York, I'm Vonnie Quinn. This is Bloomberg Markets. Time now for futures in focus. Oil is tumbling as Russia's energy minister says his nation will hold oil output steady for now. Crude down 1.9% there at $50.50. Let's bring in Larry Shover of SFG Alternatives and a very quiet CME it looks like this morning. Larry, why so quiet down there this morning? I know there are a lot of geopolitical issues, but with oil so low, shouldn't people come in?
Yeah, I mean, there's so many moving pieces, shifting expectations. Even though the market seems to have been habituated to all these things for a long time, it just seems like we get these gigantic moves, and I can't blame anybody behind me for not trading. So it's the quietest it's been probably in years.
Is it a binary outcome this weekend? Is that how people at the CME are looking at it? You know, a deal or no deal, basically?
I wish it was that easy. And I'm sure you do as well. But no, there's so many deals and iterations of that. And so I think that's why it's so quiet. That's why it's so tense behind me when you think of the moves and the potential moves we have. But there seems to be more than just black and white, yes and no. And what's going to happen to rates, to the dollar, to oil prices, et cetera.
What about the 10-year at 3%? Anybody, you know, willing to risk a directional bet here?
Yeah, you know, that's a good point, because there is a lot of short covering in the 10-year, notable the last couple days. And you think, like, if a deal is struck, are we going to see 3.25% yields again? My guess is no. There's so much volume, so much buying that will take place, even at like 3.12 and below that. So it's a long way to 3.25. And given the fact that this maybe the outcome hasn't been in the market for a long time, but we've been conditioned to all the different scenarios that could play out.
All right, Larry, thank you. It is, of course, the last trading day of November. Congratulations on getting this far through the year. That's Larry Shover of SFG Alternatives at the CME.